You don't eat them. Yeah, you just sit in your mouth, but it's like, you know, strawberry flavored or something. Not just plastic.
I am marking where I need to drill some holes at for the front partition. And that's where I got to drill the holes. Makes it easy. Can't complain about that.
I make these. You want to see? Every car comes with dummy plugs. So you take the dummy plug, you follow me up yonder. Wait, I gotta make it official. Gotta put the zip ties in. But every car comes with a dummy plug. It covers up the original, make it waterproof. I take the dummy plug apart, repin it, and we don't have to go buy the wiring harness. Another little tip. Wally. This is a soldering iron. Amazon. It was the China. I don't know. I mean, it might be Japanese. It came from another country. OLED soldering iron station. I figured I would get it just to test it and see how it worked.
It gets that hot.
It's adjustable. Yes, that is 896 Fahrenheit right there. Ooh.
I smelled that stuff.
Isn't that lead?
For years. Yeah, tin and lead.
Yeah.
I did that.
It won't hurt.
When I had my business, you wonder why I have brain problems now? I used to put the solder in my mouth while I was fixing circuit boards with all that stuff coming in my face. I did that for like 10 years. Tin and lead. Yep. That's what's in it.
Meanwhile, Joe just sits there and says, "Why do you think I got brain problems?"
She went for heavy metal testing. That's what the doctor called, and I thought he was going to play Led Zeppelin or something. He goes, "No, we're going to do some heavy metal testing."
Ouch! That does get 800 degrees. Hey, Joe! We need a bigger dumpster. Where's the
Yeah, I fell off and got a concussion. I fell off of this thing, and behind me there was his vacuum cleaner that I didn't know was there. I stepped backwards and fell, put a dent in something.
These are pro markers.
You love them?
Yeah, they actually write on wet surface, oily surfaces. They're really no different, but they write, I mean, like if you spread oil or WD-40 on something, you could actually just write right over it and it doesn't wipe off.
What is that?
This is the bracket I'm making.
Can you like WD-40 it or something?
Ooh, this is the specialist silicone. Okay. Now, I've never tried this, so it may be a flop, but it says right there, works on oily surfaces.
That brace wouldn't save your life, that's for sure.
No, it doesn't work. I don't know which car it was. We were taking the bumper off. And I thank Steven ahead of time for loosening the bolts on the bumper, and he didn't loosen them either. It was a slight problem at the factory.